Land Ho Adventures, a family of 4 living in the Cayman Islands, sharing our journey of adventure, exploration, and simple living. In last week's video, we finished our DIY loft bed project, made my first loaf of soft sourdough sandwich bread, and pruned back our lime tree. This week, we head to the Humane Society to walk some dogs, take on a few more DIY projects back at the house, and head outdoors for a little connection with nature. It's another beautiful day here in the Cayman Islands. We're down in the fishing area, right outside of the Georgetown Harbor. We are currently on spring break, and we are thoroughly enjoying the slow mornings and just taking it easy. Cameron wanted to go fishing today, so we took him down to the Georgetown Harbor. A simple hand line and a little bit of bait will keep him occupied for hours. He really wants to catch one of these tarpon, so he's trying to catch a small fish at the moment to use as bait for this big boy. Unfortunately, he did not have much luck, but we did get to take in this beautiful scenery. So we're heading out to the Humane Society in the Cayman Islands today because, what do you want to do?
Walk the dogs there and probably pet the cats.
All right, let's do it. Give him a little pet, Cameron. Hello, cutie.
It's like, Luna. So, this is Valerie, and we're going to walk her to the dog park. So, let's go.
So the dogs are a little feisty when they first come out.
Valerie!
And we have to kind of get the dog under control before we can walk. Very difficult because we have to cross this busy street and then we have to go around the corner. Very, very difficult. You're doing a great job. Let's calm down a little bit now. This is one of the sections here that you can let the dog go inside to play ball with. Karen, what do you like taking the dog so much for?
It's just fun.
Yeah.
Valerie! Get it!
Are you bummed that the dog doesn't play fetch?
Yeah.
You never know what kind of dog you will get. We asked for a calm dog, as last time we had one that was so active we could barely walk him down the street. The boys miss their dog. Our beloved Luna passed away about 1.5 years ago. Sadly, we had to put her down to sleep of old age, which was just heartbreaking. All right, so we have a new project for today's DIY here at the old Cayman house. Headed into the backyard. And we're going to head over to the fence today. I want to do some pressure washing. We have this kind of green mold algae building up here on the fence. So we're going to use the old DeWalt pressure washer. No, we're not sponsored by DeWalt. But that'd be really cool if we were. We do a lot more projects. And in the meantime, I'll check on my Jamaican apples. Have a look here in the old apple tree. Yes, they're starting to open little by little each week that passes. They are going to show their flowers pretty soon. And an update on our akis. They are starting to grow a little bit larger, as you can see here. Beautiful. Up at the top, there's some that are already developed. Slowly, slowly, I'll show you when we can pick them. The other thing I want to do is clean these windows. I'm hoping that I can get the kids to come out and help me without me bribing them. The other day I was taking a walk around the neighborhood, and there's somebody who has a pretty large garden. They have pumpkins growing, and they have these massive, massive papayas. Anyway, the gardener was out there, and I asked him if he had any seeds that I could have, and he actually gave me a mini papaya plant. So I'm super excited about that. Here is the papaya plant that our neighbors gave us. So I'm very excited about letting that grow for a few weeks before I transplant it into a larger pot. We also need to clean this window here. It's full of frog poop. It's, needs to be clean. The longer we let it go, the harder it is to clean. So we'll get that cleaned up today. If you just show me what I need to do, I can get it all done. What do I need to do?
Spray the thing.
Uh-huh. Hit it with what? Okay.
And then spray it down again.
Okay.
And then hit it with this.
Okay.
And spray it down.
Okay.
Until it's gone.
All right. I can do that. He's going to show me. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right. Let me do it. I knew he'd come out and help. He heard the drill going and he asked me what I was doing. So good news, I didn't have to bribe anybody. Over here, we are sanding and teaking these chairs. I'm not sure if we're going to keep them or if we're going to sell them, but we'll see. Looks really good, Cameron. I can see where you've sanded. What are you going to do after you sand it?
Teak it.
Teak oil?
Yeah.
Do you think we're going to keep these or are we going to sell them?
We should probably keep like one or two. Or we should probably keep them.
Yeah, we only have two.
When I like did this stuff with the drill, I left all these marks and it won't come out.
This orange stuff here, River? Yeah. That's coming off. I am slowly getting there on the chair. I've been abandoned today. Been completely abandoned. I don't know where the kids are. My husband's mowing the lawn. The battery died for the pressure washer, so we're waiting for that to charge. And now I'm left over here sanding on my own. Switching out the disc. I thought I was on the second chair. I'm only on the first. And I got the daddy bear to help. It's tiring. I can't imagine doing the whole bottom of a boat. Holy smokes. It's looking good though.
Yeah.
It's looking real good. Well, it's going to take about an hour to charge that big battery for the pressure washer. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and sand the second chair. Might as well get it done while we can. Well, the good news is the boys came back out to work with us, and now he wants to replace this screen right here. And I got this other one here. He's going to help me with the second chair. I'm so excited. I think they just needed to recharge with some air conditioning. I'm taking the little piece of sandpaper now and getting the small spaces. Never a dull moment here in the Henry household. better. Looking much better.
Yeah.
Now time for the frog 2.0. Well, as you can see, the fence turned out very, very nice. That one strip there is an old piece of board that was damaged from our dog, but it looks really good. Next step is this lattice. I'm not sure if we're going to try to paint that. My husband says he wants to replace it, but I think that will be too much work. And the window looks much better. Oh yeah. The project is coming to an end. We have finished sanding our chairs. Ooh, satisfaction, don't you think?
Yeah.
More is better.
Well, those are the chairs that have been sanded and teak oiled. We might just do one more coat, but that's what we have for right now. There's only one way to finish this weekend project off, and that's with a well-deserved outdoor adventure to the world-famous 7 Mile Beach for sunset. I mean, look at this. It's instant relaxation. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's family adventures and DIY projects. Thanks for watching. A like or a comment is very much appreciated. See you next week as we explore a local Cayman farm.